Welcome to 12 Thayer Lane in Southborough, Massachusetts. Located less than a half a mile to idyllic Southborough Center, this quiet neighborhood offers the best of both worlds. With its walkability score and proximity to major highways, makes this an excellent location for an easy commute and great access. Southborough, an affluent town located in Worcester County with a population of approximately 17,000 residents, has long been known for its landscape and quaint feel. Perhaps this is why the heart of the town is home to both renowned private schools such as Fay and St. Mark's Academies. This home is just a short distance to the infamous Morrow Market and Cafe, where you'll find the best breakfast in the area. And for those who need to seek access to public transportation, the Boston-Worcester commuter rail is only a few minutes away. Thayer Lane is an enclave of approximately 10 homes. This desirable neighborhood features stone walls, mature landscaping, and provides that sense of arrival. With no through street access, it's seldom traveled. Each home, uniquely designed, offers generous living space both inside and out, and affords all those features on one's wish list. This magnificent property offers many features, yet most prominent are the sizable family room with a lofted ceiling and skylights, the sunroom, and walkout lower level complete with its own bath. The flexible floor plan offers many options for the growing or extended family. This beautiful home was also designed to take advantage of natural surroundings. With the use of large windows, it captures the beautiful landscape and takes advantage of the natural light by providing loads of windows that create bright, sunny, and spacious rooms. With almost 3,000 square feet on the two main levels, you'll have plenty of space to spread out or to entertain.